So this is on 5-2, and I'm going to write and try to figure out this part right here. So it says 4/3 equals 3 minus 7 over r minus -2. This is going to be simplified as 4/3 equals -4 over r plus 2. When you actually do these, you can cross multiply, so it would be -12 equals 4 times r plus 2. -12 equals 4r plus 8. And then you subtract 8. I got to go all the way up to the top because I ran out of room. -20 equals 4r. Divide by 4, r equals -5. That's how that would work. And then if you came to this one, it says determine the slope of the line. I know a lot of you did watch the video. So the slope of any vertical line, your answer should have been undefined.